Hello guys. Okay, so I'm looking at the Bitcoin buy setup now, and as this 1 hour candle is about to close here, so I'm expecting the market to actually continue pushing high from here. Probably it's going to break this high, okay, because there's a lot of confluence at this point, guys. And also we have a clear three-wave corrective structure, and that will actually lead to this market breaking this next high. All right, so let's see how it goes. So I just want to update you guys. I'll be taking a buy at this point. So if you want to take a buy with me, this is what we'll be taking a buy here, and the stop loss is gonna be here, and the take profit is gonna be here. And if you play out as we expected, that would be a very good massive run. All right, so let's see how it goes. Thank you. Hello family, in this video guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $4,800 trading Bitcoin. Coming to the chart, I want to show you some patterns we've traded and how you can identify this thing on your own. And if you want us to help you to fine-tune this strategy that is proven based on mass psychology of the market participants, we are here for you guys. All right, so this morning I identified critically from the chart that we've seen, the market has been giving us an impulse here, and then the market give us this correction. So before then, I remember we traded this. This was a completion. I was thinking that this is going to come down here to give us an expanding flat, but obviously it gave us the running flat, but that was okay. So we traded this, and the market make us a running flat, and the market give us this impulse. We traded this also as a running flat. So now we have seen this impulse correction impulse. So at the completion of this, we've seen an 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll be expecting the fifth wave to play out. And that was why we actually know that this is going to be a turning point for Bitcoin at this point. All right. So if I should zoom into the chart, you begin to see some confluences. The first confluences was like, we have this ABC here. All right, so and the fib level to 7 was actually at this point, and we have this rejection, and then we know that definitely once you have an impulse and a complete correction, and there's a clear rejection and a confirmation, and supporting the trend, man, this is a gold mine. This is just free money for kind of textbook chart pattern for everyone. So then we know that Bitcoin is going to move from this point. Now, remember what happened. Look at what happened here. We are in a big profit, and there was this sharp sell-off. You see, these are market manipulators just to panic the small feeble hands, because nothing beats structures, nothing beats patterns. Now, we don't trade support and resistance, even though they are also good, but we trade pure wave price actions, okay? And the market makes the pattern, we trade the waves. So what are we expecting, guys? Now we've seen that the market has actually bounces back here. Then what should we be expecting at this point is the market to continue pushing high, at least to this point, to break this high. But within these waves, there might be a midway correction, guys. Midway correction before that goes. But if there is a midway correction, that might be a chance for us to add more position. But also, we bear it in mind that, once this market comes to this trend, if you begin to reject at this trend, that might be an indication that anything can happen. Even though we have a projection of where we are going, now anything can happen in between the move. And that is why never you allow your winning trade to end up a losing trade. Okay, so we have a strategy whereby we manage our trade, because it's not enough knowing when to buy, it's also enough knowing how to position yourself, so we can be able to manage yourself out of that ugly situations when it comes. It's a matter of when, because you can't predict accurately 100% of the time where the market will get to. But one thing is certain, if you know how to catch in the trend, as the market makes appreciate in price, you'll be taking some profit out, as we took some profit out here, and then the market pushes back again, and we are already good. All right, so that was how we're able to bang this trade. If you zoom out on daily chart to see what actually is happening in Bitcoin price, now anything can happen at this point, guys. All right, because we have seen this is a correction, okay, and this is a complex kind of correction the market has given us. So Probably this might happen, guys, and at the end the market will start pushing high from this point. So we are positioning ourselves to know that, okay, the market has actually completed the corrective phase. So we are waiting for the market to, give us that trigger for you to jump in and ride with the waves. So for now, we'll be expecting the market to complete this wave, give us a 3-wave move, and if that's the case, we'll be glad to take this trade to the moon. All right, guys, so that is what we have for you guys, and just to update you what we did this morning on Bitcoin. Now, if you want to learn how to trade wave structure, I'm here for you. I want to help you to demystify this wave concept and show you how to trade, pure price action using wave analysis. And this is the best thing that will happen to your trading career, trading business. All right, guys, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. The detail for contacting us is below this video. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video. Thank you.